Hi, this is Sandra Hawkins. Welcome to my C# tutorials. This video is about how to download and install Visual Studio. Firstly, Google download Visual Studio and click on the first link. This is guaranteed to get you the most up-to-date version. I'm going to download the community version. It's free for students, so click on free download. And then that should download the executable there straight away. So again, you can click on that to open it, or you might find it in your downloads folder. Yes, I want to run that. And before I get started, I need to check a few things. Okay, so you can continue. You can read them there if you want to, otherwise just hit continue. I'm just going to pause there while that installs. After it has finished downloading there, you will get this install window. Here you can choose what you want to install. Now, I definitely want the .NET desktop development because that is what I will be working on. So I'm going to choose that. It's up to you there what else you want to choose. I'm just picking a few things that I might end up using later on. Python, Node.js, and Universal Platform. Okay, and when you've done that, you can hit install. Again, I will just pause the recording while that installs. So that installation took 45 minutes on my PC. It did request a restart, which I pressed to restart, and therefore I can't show you the end of the wizard. It will install there in your menu. What I like to do with a new installation or an application that I will be using every day is pin it to the taskbar, so it'll be down the bottom of my screen. So to do that, you can right click and more and pin to taskbar, and then you will get that icon down the bottom of the screen. When you open up Visual Studio, first of all, it will ask you to create an account. So you will need to create an account to be able to log in to use Visual Studio. And then afterwards, when you've done that, you will be presented with a list of options here. Please see my other tutorials especially for creating a new project. Thank you.